One peaceful
Hi, little
morning, a
ones.
little boy sat quietly
Splashy,
near a beautiful
splashy.
pond.
Look
Suddenly,
at you
three tiny
all.
ducklings walked toward him happily. The little boy smiled and gently touched his new friends. Together, they stepped into the shallow water and started playing. Suddenly, the boy heard small birds chirping loudly.
Nest.
He looked
What
up
happened
and
to the
saw a
birds?
broken nest lying on the
So
ground.
loud. Don't
The
worry,
little
little
boy
ducks.
decided to help
Look,
the
little
birds.
friends.
He
I
started
made this
collecting
for
small
you.
sticks and dry
Isn't it
leaves.
nice?
The boy
Peep,
carefully
peep.
began building a
Peep,
new
peep.
nest.
Look, little
Finally,
friends.
the boy
Here's your
finished the new nest.
home.
He gently placed the
Peep,
nest on a safe
peep.
branch. The birds flew around happily.
Wow, look at them. Hello there, little friends. Isn't this amazing? Come
The
on,
boy and
little
ducklings
ones.
walked
Let's
along the
keep
pond.
walking. Peep, 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 peep.
As the sun set, they sat together peacefully. A small act of kindness made a beautiful friendship.